Guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 14th of June 2025, and here we're going to be trading the volatility 10 1x touch no touch, and we're on the D trader interface, and this is a dark mode. You can change your dim to light dim. So once you log into your trading account, we want that trade right here. Go to volatility 10 1x, click on it, then go to the trade type here, click on touch no touch, and set this to 5 minutes. Sorry, let's quickly check our buy sell indicator here. So we're using the indicator right now, and some trades are winning and some are still in red, but they're gonna win regardless. So we're still giving away this indicator for free. For those who have interest in this indicator, is a buy sell indicator which shows you when to buy and when to sell. It works on Deriv and other Forex broker platform that support MT5, and we've given away over 1,000 of this for free. So for those who want this indicator, go just check the video description on YouTube. The link to get this indicator right there. First of all, you have to sign up for a free trading account here, then subscribe to our channels, then send an email to this email address with the last 3 digits of your account. Once you verify your sign up, we'll send indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order this indicator for $12 right here. And for those who haven't purchased our bots, the top skipper bot 9.99 USD, the pip stripper bot 7.99 USD, they both work on Deriv and they are automated. So when you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free. You also get a free ebook and some free bots as well. So don't forget to subscribe to our channels. The link to order our bots are in the video description. There's a link to order the pip stripper bots, and the links to order the top skipper bot is right there. Check the video description. For those who don't have a trading account, sign up for a free trading account using this link right here. And the links to subscribe to our channels are right here. The first channel, the second channel, the third channel. Make sure you subscribe to all our channels. We're going to be dropping 3 strategies again today, and we drop free strategies across all our channels regularly. Subscribe to all our channels and turn the notification on. So let's get back to the trading here. Once you log in, go to volatility 10 1x, trade type touch no touch, set the minutes to 5 minutes. So as it's pushing right up, once you see this margin, you can see the margin here, you click on touch. As I spot the margin right there, you can see the margin right there. It's a little white, so you quickly click on touch right there. So set the barrier offset to, you can see we won that trade. It's going right up again. You can see the margin again, it pushed right up. You can see the margin right there. I place another trade. Your barrier offset should be set to, we won that trade again. Your barrier offset should be set to minus 0.49. So you can spot the margin right here. You can see the gap. You can see the line right there. It pushed right up. So once you see this gap from here to here, it's okay. You quickly click on touch. So let's spot it again. So once it pushed right up and you see the gap, that gap is too short. Okay, that's a good gap right there. You can see right there. You can see that spot right there. It's going to be our last trade. So make sure the gap is wide before you click on touch, and don't forget to set your barrier offset. You can actually sell at market, but we're going to win regardless. So we won that trade as well. So that's going to be it for today. Don't forget to share the videos. Make sure the gap is wide. You can see this gap from here to here. Click on touch. From here to here, click on touch. From here to here, click on touch. From here to here is too short. Do not click on touch. From here to here is too short. Do not click on short. So if the margin is wide, you should click on touch. So let me show you another example again. Let's wait. Let's just push right up. And it has to be a straight margin, not a zigzag. You can see the margin right there. That's to push right up. zigzag movement. It's okay. That margin is okay, but it dropped down so fast. Okay, it's pushing up. Okay, so that margin is okay right there. You can see from here to here, it went right up. So click on that's going to be the last trade. I just want to show you. So you can see we won that trade. So that's going to be it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share our videos, like, comments. Bye. See you guys next.